Hi, my name is Kerry and I am the food chemist at the International Food Science Center, and here is our brand Landship. So my role here at the Landship International Food Science Center, is actually to innovate and create products, but also to ensure consistency, quality, and food safety of all the products that we manufacture. So here you can see a few of our sugar-based products. This is traditional Barbados muscovado sugar. We have a few varieties. So you have dark muscovado, which has the highest percentage of molasses added to it. And next we also have our cinnamon sugar, really good for your teas, or even you can dust your donuts and bakes, pumpkin fritters, etc. in this sugar, super good. And we also have our traditional Barbados sugar. You know, we can't forget what our tradition and what we're almost accustomed to. And fourthly, we have our light muscovado sugar, which has a smaller amount of molasses added to it. So if you tend not to like too much molasses, you can still use this and still get the light honey, caramel-like flavor in your baked goods, and incorporate it super easy into sweet breads. You can drizzle it on sweet breads as well, your cakes and pastries, great cake. And lastly, we have our newest product, our baker's sugar. So not traditionally with our local Barbados brown sugar, the granules tend to be a bit too large and it makes creaming them into your cake batter a bit difficult. However, we've solved that issue for our home bakers and commercial bakers as well. There we have our now fine baker's sugar, which can be used not only for cakes and cupcakes and what's not, but we can also use it to make frosting, royal icing, buttercreams, ganaches, you name it. Easily dissolvable, and it's also gluten-free. We have our cassava starch added to ensure that it doesn't clump, and you can keep it stored for long periods of time.
So, all supermarkets is available at?
Oh, no, okay. So currently you can purchase these sugars from us at International Food Science Center. We're located at building number 11 in Newton Industrial Estate, Christchurch, Barbados. And we're hoping to come to supermarkets to you soon.